Back again guys we are. So this is the one from handyknickknacks.co.uk. This is from Brian. And this is, in fact I'll read you the note first. It says, "Hi Paul, enclosed is the Loewen 1047, the UK Lidl carry pocket knife. Made in Germany, carbon steel blade, UK Lidl carry knife. I think it's, I can't remember, is it Bebbage or Bebbinge, something like that, Bebbinge wood handle. And the price of these guys is £29.99, and that is including shipping. And this also comes absolutely razor sharp. I've been carrying this one until I got this one from Anthony. This is the more traditional pocket knife, as it used to be. Like when my dad was living, he used to carry a knife like this all the time. This is more of a traditional oldie worldy blade, and I love it. If you can see that name on it. Not very good at greenhouse, I'm afraid, but beautiful knife, absolutely beautiful. And like I said again, absolutely razor sharp. Razor sharp. It's a cracker. Beautiful knife. Again, UK Lidl carry. It's not a locking blade. So I have that one for my pocket, the other one, and this one will go in my jacket. I shall carry this in my jacket. This is, I love it. You know what I mean? I love them. I'm getting more into me knives. I was never a knife person, but I really am getting into me knives. It's a beauty. Loewen Messer, it says. Obviously it's some German, but Loewen Messer. It's Solingen, Germany, where it's made. Carbon steel blade again. It's a cracker. It's a beauty. Lovely little knife. Great pocket knife. Fantastic. Brilliant knife. Really nice. So that is from Brian at handyknickknacks.co.uk, and that's the website at the top, www.handyknickknacks.co.uk. or if you want to go to the Lidl knives section, lidlknives.com. That's the UK Lidl knife website, I think. So that's great. So thank you very much for that, Brian. Give it a look, guys. It's a cracking site. They sell all different kinds of UK Lidl knives, like where they got that assisted one from. They sell SOG, they sell Smith & Wesson, Spyderco, everything. But at least you can go out knowing that you can keep these, this one and that other one, the Enzo. He also sells the Enzo on his site, Andy Knickknacks sells the Enzo PK70 on his site, including all the free delivery. It's nice to be able to go out knowing that you can put two knives in your pocket. I'm not saying the police won't say something, because they always do, but it's nice to be able to put a knife in your pocket that is UK legal to carry and they can't say nothing about it. Ish. Right guys, that's it for this one. Thank you very much again for that, Brian. and we'll get some more things sorted out with you. I shall be back tomorrow. I ain't got time today now, but I should do another video tomorrow. It's my video response to Scooty, to his video, his giveaway. I think it's his subs. So, right guys, I'll leave that with you. I am now going to go in. Let's try and tilt it down a bit. Wrong way. There we are, guys. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for looking. Bye for now.